So in the vending machine, please select number of passengers for whom you want to take the number of tickets. It will show the list of trains which are going from train station to all the destination. In this case, we are selecting Roma Termini as an end destination. In the next screen, it is asking me it's 14 euros per person and the end destination is Roma Termini. Click on the forward to go to the next screen. If you want to buy the return ticket here itself, you can actually buy here. So you can see 28 euros is for 2 person for one way journey. Click on forward to purchase the tickets. Click on I accept. You can pay either via cash or cards. In our case, we are actually paying through cash. So click on cash. Wait for the green light to emerge, and once the green light emerges, please insert the notes into the vending machine. It will take you 15 seconds to actually process and get back the change along with the tickets. So please collect your tickets, and after that, once the green line emerges for receiving the changes, you'll get back the notes from the right side, the same way where you applied the notes, and now you can get the coins from the vending machine back. Simple. Now hop on to your train station and go to Roma Termini.